If you are tired of losing money in trading and you just want a simple chart only strategy, no indicators, no stress, watch this video to the end because this is exactly how beginners should trade. And yes, this works even if you are starting saying with small capital. Welcome today. My name is Latif Sodir. Right now, I'm using OBS Studio and I'm recording only my charts. No physical, no distraction. Just pure trading education. Now, the first thing every beginner must learn is market structure. Price only does three things. Number one is uptrend. Number two is downtrend. While number three is range. Firstly, let me explain what I mean by uptrend to you, and then what I mean by downtrend to you, and then what I mean by range to you guys. Firstly, if you see the price of the market here, from this place, if you see the price of the market from 0.3075, this is OP slash USDT dot P. Dot P mean perpetual trading. So you see the uptrend here, the maximum bullish candle. You see how it move down from here to here. If you are the type of person that you draw your support, let me draw the resistance rather. So if you are the type of person that draw your resistance at this point and you see the movement already that is already move above, look at this candle. Whenever you see bullish engulfing or strong body candle, just know that the market is going bullish at that time. You see no weakening point from here, here, and then it's already break the resistance, which you know that every time that trading break resistance like this with bullish candle like this, it's already going to the moon that day. So this is what we call uptrend trend line. And then you see if you draw uptrend trend line from here to the up, you will see that it broke up here. And then what always happen when the trend line is broken? It always come down. So this is the example of uptrend trend line. Let me give you the example of downtrend line. Look at the second trend here. You see the market from here from 0.3731, it went down to here, which is 0.32. This is example of downtrend. But if you are the type of person that draw trend here, that you draw downtrend line here, you will see that whenever the candle broke the trend line, the trend has already been broken. And then what happened again? You see the market is imbalance. So it went broke to this space, which is 0.29 plus. And then the third one is range. Now this is example of range. So let me bring the resistance come to this place. We use this as resistance. We use this as support. You see, this is example of range. Look at what is coming, what's going on here. Market touch here and come down here. It touch here and come down here. It touch here and come down here. This is example of range. What can happen here is just for you to wait and let the market broke the trend line, broke the resistance or broke down the support, and you go on. If it broke down the resistance, you know you are going on long trade, so you set your target at this point. But if the market broke down support, you know you are going to short the trade, you can set your target at this point. So that is the easy strategy for newbies in trading. The support and resistance, this is where beginners always lose money. They always enter randomly. Many people will just look at the candle that is coming down, you will just enter the market. No, it's not work like that. Many will see the candle going up and they enter the market. No, it's not going to work like that. Many people always believe on the indicator. No, it's not going to work alone. If you want to use the indicator, I'm not saying you should not use the indicator, but if you want to use the indicator, please use indicator with support and resistance line. So if you have this two strategy, or if you have the correct two entry, that means you have the probability of 85% chances to win the trade that moment. Because support is where price usually reacts up. Everybody know. If you see what happened here, when it touched the support here, it goes up. And then when it touched the resistance here, it comes down. You have to just draw one plain support line and then resistance. This is where price usually reacts down. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3. Price come down from resistance. So don't just draw many lines. Only one or two level is okay for you. So to know your entry, if you are the type of person that you always draw many lines on chart, you will always be getting confused. So the step three I will give you guys is the entry confirmation. This is very important. So never enter just because price touch support or resistance. This is the advice I will give newbie. I will always wait for confirmation candle. So let's example for you. You see this place. If you are the type of person that you always see that this is the resistance, you are already set short trade at this point, and then you put your stop loss at this place. You see you have already lose the money like that. So just wait for confirmation candle. If you see bearish engulfing candle here coming from here to here, just know that the market has already lost the momentum. You can go on short trade. But what happened here? The bullish candle, the bullish bottle candle broke the trend line, broke the resistance, and then it went up. Always wait for the confirmation and then wait for the break and retest. So big candle like this with a follow. So this makes you look professional without any indicator. Then step four I will give you is stop loss and take profits. This is the beginner's strategy. Your stop loss go below support when buying or above resistance when selling. This is what I mean. If you are buying this trading like this, just set your stop loss at this point. Just look for the nearest resistance level or nearest support level rather to set your stop loss. The stop loss for buying is always below the support level. Why? The stop loss of selling is always above the resistance. What I mean is that if you are selling this coin, maybe probably you are the type of person that you set your entry at this point. Let your support be the above of the nearest resistance. So that is what I mean. Then your take profit should be at least two times of your stop loss. That is what I always say, 1:2. If you set your stop loss at 1% of the trade, probably you are using 5x. You set your stop loss at 5%. If you lose 5% of this trade, the market will close automatically. Just set your take profit. Let your take profit be the multiply by 2. Your take profit might be 10% of your trade. So that is good strategy for beginners. So let me give you some common beginners mistake. If you trade without stop loss, the market will teach you the hard way. Firstly, that is this. Don't be that traders. Firstly, identify the trend. Number one, what I teach you today, identify the trend in uptrend or downtrend. Make sure you identify the trend. The second is make sure you mark your support and resistance and then wait for confirmation. Use stop loss